Hi, Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. How are you doing? And how's your area? I don't want to say how's business right now because I know that 95% of Nigerians are not doing anything for now because of the lockdown. By the way, I will still say, even for the fact that federal government they said they want to relieve us from this lockdown. We just have to still stay safe and make sure that you wash your hand regularly, and don't forget that the nose mask is very nose mask or nose guard is very important. So make sure that you buy your own because an offense in some states right now. So now today I want to show you this system on binary.com. Actually, I want to let you to know that there is no holy grail system. You have to know that one first. There is no holy grail system that is 100%. Okay, but with this strategy you can still make money. You will even make money because it's very okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now, so I will take maybe like 5 trades now on this video, and I want to compound the whole money. So you can see, so with this strategy you can start with as little as you have $5, 10. So you can start with any amount. So you don't need to martingale. So you can see this is 260.64, right? I deliberately want to use this one, and I'll be teaching you, so I won't be focused very well. So that is why I want to use this as small fund, at least to text run it to show you that it's working. So I will compound it. I will take 5 trades, and I will compound it. So we'll be waiting for the signal. We'll be waiting for the signal. So with this strategy, you don't just enter, you wait for the signal. Once you have the signal, then you are good to go. All right, so we are waiting for the signal to appear here. There is a software that we are looking at that will show us when to enter. All right, so we are still waiting. All right, it's time for us to enter this. Okay, so this one has won. So all the money is now 2.9, right? So we'll still be waiting for the signal. So we want the first one. So second signal, we got it. So the money is now 319, right? So I'm taking the 0319 to it, 3.19. So we are waiting for another signal. So we took the second one already, so we are going on the third one now. So take the third one. So the money is now how much? 3.51. okay, 51. So wait for the signal again before we go. We're waiting for the signal. We're waiting for the signal, and I don't want this video to be too long because I don't want to bore you. I just want to make it quick, and so go into another signal. So our money is now 3 points how much? 86, right? Okay, cool. So let me just take the last one here. So I'm waiting for the signal. I got the signal. I got it early this time around. So the 5th trade completed. All right, so now I can now see the balance is now 4.24. So it means we got all the trades, so meaning we won all the trades. So let's just see the so we won all the trades, right? So now let's just see the history. I don't know why this thing is not clicking. Okay, let me just do it this way, maybe it will show up. So you can see how we compounded the old funds, right? And everything is within 5 minutes. So with $2 it has done like so we have done, so let me, you know what, okay, let me just make one more just to make it this is 4.24, right? 4.24. So waiting for the signal. Okay, I got it. I got signal. All right. So okay, let's complete it at $5. 66. So waiting for the signal. So $5 completed. All right. So you can see we started from 2.4 and already. So we took about seven signals, right? Yeah, and we compounded it. Though it's actually the money quickly increased because we compounded it. So imagine if you want to do this in 30 minutes, in 1 hour. Yes, in 30 minutes, in 1 hour, you can risk $2, you can risk $1, compound it. If you can do this right within 30 minutes, 1 hour, you know how much you will have done, you know how much you will have made. So the system is very, very okay. The system is very, very okay. All right, very, very okay. I want to I want to show you the history. I don't know what is wrong with this. Okay, then. Sorry, I don't know why I cannot click like this, but I just paused the video to show you the history. Okay. Okay, let's just do it this way. All right, I think it's okay like this, at least so that you're able to see it. Now we started from how much? From 2.64, right? We started from 2.64, and from 2.64 it made this. It turned it to 2.9. So 2.9 made this. It turned it to 3.19. So 3.19 it made this. It turned into 3.51. 3.51 we made this. It turned into, and everything. Let's check the time that we got started. This is 17:28. That is around 5:28, right? 5:28, and this is 5. We ended it at 5:34. So 28:34. That's around like 6 minutes, right? What's it? Let's say 7:28, and that is 6 minutes. Around 5 minutes. Within 5-6 minutes, you can see it has turned 2.64 to 5.12. All right, so for the last time, let me just take one more trade. All right, let me just take one more trade to complete, at least to finally. So let me just take one trade finally. So we have how much here? 5.12. 5.12. That's what we have there. So waiting for the signal. Waiting for the signal. All right, so we got the signal. So guys, that's how I'm going to stop this video here. So you can see the fund is now 5.64, right? It's now 5.64. So you can use this to at least to make some money for yourself. All right, so if you want to get this software that will be giving you the accurate signal like this, all you need to do is just to message me on africangr@gmail.com. okay, me at african@ngr, and if you check below right now, you are going to see the link on how you can get this software. But if you want to ask me questions, you can send your mail to africangr@gmail. But below this video, you are going to see a link. All right, you're going to see a link to download the software. Actually, it's not free. Okay, well, you can see to download the software even in the midnight. So with the midnight. That is, if you need it as quick as possible, so you can download it's a web software and start making money. You can use it anytime. You can trade at any time. You can trade at any time. You don't have a particular time to trade. Okay, so that is how this works. So thank you very much. In the midnight. Okay, and so if you check the link below, you know how much you are getting it and how you get it. So thank you very much. I remain yours at the Will watching. Bye.